everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with another quick video about My Legion Secret. And what I'm going to do is just give you an update on how I've been doing with the system, and then share with you how I send out emails and let you know what's included in the bonuses if this is something you would like to be a part of. So what I'm going to do here is just log into my account and then basically give you an idea of how I send out an email using My Legion Secret. For this opportunity, I've been sending emails out to the list and promoting this online and showing people how they can easily earn anywhere between $100 to $200 every other day, or even $500 a week using this system. So far, I've earned over, I want to say $6,900. I've been using the system since September, and I've been getting paid consistently by sending out these email swipes. So under mailing system, they do provide you with the leads, just to let you guys know. And then what you're going to do is, as soon as you get started, you're going to get 100 leads that's going to be sent directly to your account every single day. Once you receive one person that signs up with you, you're going to automatically start getting 200 leads per day. So all you have to do is hit select all. That's going to move all your leads over to the other side. As you can see, all of my leads are here. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is basically, I have these preloaded email swipes. You will get an access to those email swipes that I use. And then what I'm going to do is basically just load the email swipes into the system by clicking on the email that I want to use, hit the load button, and now the email is here. So what I do is I keep these as simple as possible. This is my boyfriend's account, and I just make sure that I am just giving them some information for them to click on the link. So let's just go. I'm going to just select a different one that has more information on it. So right here, this one is 3 ways to get paid within the next 24 hours. And basically, it's going to have everything that they need to make a decision. And then they're going to be able to click here, and that's going to send them directly to the link. And again, you're going to receive these email swipes when you get started. All you have to do is really tweak them and then basically hit the perfect timing button. You can preview the emails just to make it work. When we click here, that's going to send people directly to the link to get started. And I do advise people to put a PS at the end, because PS actually allows people to want to click on to see what it's all about. So we're going to put PS here. It started today and gain access to these bonuses. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is hyperlink here, and this is going to send them to the bonuses. So if I go here, put in my website link, I can click on here, hyperlink it, and then this is going to take them directly to the site for them to see what the bonuses are. Okay. So send email. And now this email is going to go out. You can send 1 email per day. So every 24 hours, they allow you to send another email to your list. So if we go here into affiliates, into the commissions, scroll all the way down, this is what has been earned, over $6,000. I just requested a payout today, and the payments that you can receive is either by Bitcoin, PayPal, or by direct mail. So this is really simple to use. A lot of people are asking me, like, is this simple enough for anybody to use? Yes. And not only that, it's really newbie friendly. So if you are having a hard time learning systems, with the bonus, I do show you exactly how to go in and collect these leads. Get the leads, send them over the email, and then watch the payments roll in. They also have master email swipes here. I do have some people that have been using them, and they said that they work pretty well. So you can upgrade here, or right in the beginning, you'll have access to these email swipes, and they're basically email swipes that are supposed to be high converting. So, and we also have a Facebook group. So if you're interested in getting more information about My Legion Secret, you want to get started, please feel free to click on the description below and get more information on how to get started, or contact me and I can help you. So thanks so much for viewing the video, and have a great day.